j'aperçois un gars et il m'a follow, donc je l'ai follow. Il a liké ma photo.
Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my life right from the